and today I am here with you to tell you that how to use our Jamboard. Okay, so first in the Play Store we will write Jamboard. Okay, then here is the symbol, can you see? Jamboard, and we will click on it. Then I have installed this app earlier, so you will install it, and then let me open this app. And I have opened this app, and you have to register it from your any ID, and I have my ID of Janvi, so I will register by this also, and I will register to my mother IDs also. So now I have downloaded it. So if you have to make the file, what you will do, I hope that you all can see this. Okay, so you will click on it. What you will do, you will click on it. My god. Okay, after clicking it, there was a new Jamboard file that will create. It will take some time. Okay, now I have created my Jamboard file, so I can write anything. Just I have to write my name. I can write anything, and if you want to more expand it, if you want to take another colors, okay, so you can take, if you want to take the pen, that you can take that also. Okay, and if you in one file there are 5 pages. This is the second page, this is the third page, this is the fourth page, and this is the 5th page. So you can use by this, and if you have to rub, if you have to do the rubbing, you can use this, and you can erase all the writing parts that you have written. After doing this, what you will do, if you have to draw something, if I am drawing this, my shape is not a perfect. Okay, so what you will do, you will make a perfect shape. Yes, the essentials tools, I will click on it, and there was a symbol A. Okay, if you click on it, what we will do, let me show you what will happen. In this I have written J. Okay, I have written in it, but what happen if I do this, it will happen like that. In the A symbol, if you have written like so cursive, I have written code, so it will convert into the alphabeticals. Okay, now if I have to make a circle, a perfect circle I have to make. Okay, I'm making this circle, this is a circle, and I have to make it perfect. This will happen. Okay, I have to make a rectangle. I don't know that rectangle. A rectangle has also made, so you can make all the surfaces that you want in the perfect shape. Okay, so you can make any of the things by using these. Thank you.